everyone, welcome to Nexus News. As we all know, Ganesh Utsav is celebrated with the utmost dedication in the entirety of India. While it is celebrated well throughout the whole country, Maharashtra sees a special treatment towards the Ganesh Utsav. Let's see how people who are not from Maharashtra have to say about the Ganesh Utsav in India and Maharashtra. Hello, will you be able to introduce yourself?
I am Bhumika Gagdi and I have come here to study from Karnataka.
You are a Karnataka you are.
I am Karnataka.
You are a Karnataka?
Yeah.
Okay, great. How do you feel about the Ganesh Utsav in Maharashtra or specifically in Pune?
It is really very fun here in महाराष्ट्र, स्पेसिफिकली इन पुणे. हमारे यहाँ बहुत अच्छे से मनाया जाता है गणेश उत्सव, बट पुणे में जो फन, जो जॉय, जो फील है गणपति के लिए वो कहीं और नहीं दिखता. वो ढोल ताशा, वो रैलीज जो निकलते हैं, जो विसर्जन होता है, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्राउड फील करवाता है कि हाँ ये हमारे गणपति पापा है, उस हिसाब से.
And how long have you been in Pune for now?
It's been like 2 to 3 years I have been in Pune.
Okay. Have you been able to see the famous Dagdu Shekh Halwai Ganpati?
Yeah, I have been seeing it from the past 2 years, and I love the way they do everything, the decoration to the Visarjan, everything. I love it.
Okay. And do you know the concept of the 5 Manache Ganpati in Pune?
Yeah, I do know, but I cannot name them. Yeah, I do know the 5 managers.
Okay. What is your essential favorite thing about Ganesh Utsav? Something that you just cannot miss on experiencing when it is the festival season?
The Dol Tasha, I cannot miss it at all. I love hearing it. I enjoy the rallies, and it is very good.
Any specific food like Ukdiche Modak are quite famous during Ganesh Utsav in Pune and Maharashtra itself. Do you have it often?
I do not have it often, but yeah, I would love to.
You would love to, yes, right. Can you share something like that is similar culturally between Karnataka and Maharashtra when it comes to Ganesh Utsav?
I cannot remember anything that similar, but I think there are few things like we do have Lezim Prakar.
Lezim,
Yeah,
yes.
that is
Right.
there in Karnataka, but not that very much. But yes, there is. It is there.
Okay, perfect. And how excited are you about the next Ganesh Utsav now that we are approaching Visarjan soon?
Yeah, I'm very, very excited. I would love to be a part of it, and it is going to be fun. I am sure about it.
Yes. Thank you. So this was Shreya Sankhe with cameraman Zui, Nexus News Pune.